Hi and welcome to this video. Today we will be plugging a heating element from a hairdryer into the mains. To start, I try soldering my live and neutral wire to the live and neutral of the heating element. This is the setup I have in this video. People were saying I was unsafe in the last video, which is pretty true because it's doing a carpet, but
I'm
hope this
recording
makes it
so
there.
it's stable, and my phone's just this so I can see it, and that's plugging into the wall, and we're in.
Attempt 1.
3, 2, 1. Oh no.
I'm going to speed this up a bit so I don't waste time.
Okay, so I've just realised that clicking was actually it discharging onto this, because this is metal, right? So, gonna try this again.
It turns out it wasn't discharging before. I think I have a way to make it not turn off, but I'll save that for another video. Thanks for watching.